Get ready to do a demonstration of Zoom meeting about VAPI. VAPI is a voice API. API stands for Program Interface, and it enables a program-to-program communication. So I'm starting by placing my iView goggles on my head. I'm going to turn them on first and watch for this blue light. Oh, 3 buzzes, 1 buzz to turn it on and 2 buzzes to start recording, which it did already. So now I'm going to put it on and I'm going to connect it to the external power bank, which I'm disconnecting from the power now to make sure that it is fully charged. I extend it and I drop it in my shirt pocket, and then I'm running it through my sweatband, so if the glasses fall down, they're still hanging by this power cable connected to the power bank and don't fall on the ground and break. So now, to extend the life of the battery that is built into the iView glasses, I'm connecting them to the external power bank and put them back on my head. Okay, so now I'm ready to continue. I'm going to wear my hat here and pull it off of this dummy. Pull it over my head. And this is an example of a vanity phone number that spells a domain name. We'll discuss it later. As I'm continuing to prepare for this recording, I'm going to add also another device to record videos. And this is my neck wallet, phone and badge holding lanyard, supported by an easel. This is a 3-legged easel, 3 black legs. It is wire enclosed inside a PVC plastic protection, and it has a neck string which I'm going to hang on my neck, put it over my head, and insert my head into it. Before I continue, I want to turn on some notes and use the notepad to document it, starting by recording using a screen recorder. I'm going to turn the 360 camera. This is a Pix Pro Orbit 360 4K camera, and I'm going to aim it now at the screen and start recording from the screen recorder. This screen recorder is MSN Recorder Max, and I press the record button, then full screen, then right mouse click and copy to the clipboard buffer and start recording. So now you will see the image of the screen inside this MSN Recorder Max screen recorder, as I'm also pasting, edit and paste the file name that I just created, which includes the following words: my video dash, then the date. 25 represents the current year, 2025. 03 represents the month of the third month of March, and 12 the 12th day of the month, which is today, Wednesday, and then the time that MPEG. So this is a video file name. Now to this I want to add PSAR, problem step recorder, so I'm going to run it, and I want to verify that it is set up for 999 screen. So I upgrade the 25 default to 999, and then I start the recording. I want to add a comment with a video file name from MSN Recorder to embed in the PSAR, problem step recorder executable, so they are linked together. And now I'm going to take the dialog step recorder recording now dialog box and place it on top of MSN Recorder Max. In addition to that, I've just installed another software application, which is a webcam software that doesn't run so well, but maybe this time, since I've just reinstalled it, it will start running. Let's see what happens since I've just reinstalled the new version of it, which is a very crashy type of a program. As you can see, oops, UCam has stopped. So this is the problem of the software. It never works quite right. So you have to install it and reinstall it many times until you get it to work. I would like the camera to work with the camera software from Microsoft, but somehow it stopped working. The camera app from Microsoft. Let's see if I can get it to work. Let's make it a little smaller and see if I can rotate this camera to use various cameras. So here is one camera that I'm using now, and I'll keep it on this camera, or maybe I can use the 360 camera. I'm debating. Let's see what else can I use. Let's rotate it around. See that it has some problems with some of the cameras, as you can see. Here's a camera that gives it trouble. I'm not sure which camera is this, but this is my camera here. Let's see if I can rotate it some more and see another camera. Maybe another camera will be better. Yes, the Microsoft camera seems to be better, so maybe I will use it for now and start recording from the Microsoft camera. Start the recording and it will turn on something went wrong. Sorry, we aren't able to save the video. If you need it, here is the error code. They give you some error code that you cannot copy. This is why you need PSR, Problem Step Recorder. So close it and let's see if I can change the camera or try it again, yet again. Maybe the next time it will be somewhat better. No. So close it and let's rotate it to another camera yet. See if another camera is. Close other applications. Another app is using the camera. Okay. So close this camera. Try to rotate it to another camera yet that no other app is using. And let's try to save it from this camera. Looks like this camera may be good enough. I just want to rotate it a little bit towards me and see if we can use this camera. No, it cannot use this camera either. Let's rotate it to yet another camera. Let's see if it can use the Logitech camera. Not sure which camera is that. But this camera cannot display, obviously, on the screen anything, so this is not good. So rotate it yet again to another camera. Let's see if this camera is able to record. So I'm going to press the record button here. And this camera doesn't work either. I'll have to reinstall this camera software. And this comes with Windows. Can download another version of it and try to install it because it seems like it is not going to work.
I'm waiting for you on Zoom.
Okay, this camera. Let's see if this camera can record.
It has some issues.
No, this camera also cannot record. So basically none of the cameras can work.
Okay.
The only way to deal with it is to reinstall it. So
Can we do that another time?
we'll do it another time. In the meantime, I want to add to it also Loom, a cloud recorder, because obviously this computer has got enough problems. And also MSN Recorder Max is another camera. So this camera, I click record, oops, and it records right away. It stopped the previous recording and it starts another recording here using the 360 camera above my head. And now I will select the camera for the Loom and see if that camera can work. Which camera can work here? And this camera, which camera is that? I'm trying to investigate it.
Looks like from the far. Maybe it's all the way up there. Is
I'm
that
not
it?
sure which.
Is it
Please
this
don't help me. Thank you. Please don't help me.
It's right this one. It's this one.
Okay,
It's this one.
fine. Okay, so,
Why?
but I don't like. Yeah, that may be good enough for now.
That's this one. And you can change the angle if you want.
Fine. Okay. I want to see if I can use another camera also. Okay, let's start with this so that we don't waste so much time. We'll use that camera and that's it. That's good enough. So I'll focus in more on myself. Okay.
So join the Zoom.
Alright, so now I want to join the Zoom call
And you can go to, you see that meeting Zappy?
and start, click meeting Vapi and click it to start the Zoom call. I've already two of them, fundamental.
No, that's not
Which one do you want?
The
The
Zappy.
Vapi one? Okay, and I can close the other one?
Yeah.
Okay, I close the other one.
You may
And now start AI companion to assist you meeting something, start meeting summary for everyone in this meeting. Turn on. Then I want to adjust the speaker, reduce the volume so it doesn't have so much echo.
What do you want to name yourself? I'm going to rename you. What do you want to be renamed?
Rename me Dr. Zoom.
Okay. Okay, now you want to use the video?
Yes.
Okay, so you click on the video on Zoom.
I want to tighten